Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are looking at Bollinger Bands. This is our first band-based volatility indicator, so let us keep it simple. Bollinger Bands draw three lines around price. The middle line is a moving average, often 20 days. The upper and lower bands sit above and below that average. When price is quiet, the bands usually tighten. When price becomes more volatile, the bands widen. Think of them like flexible rails around the chart. The rails are not fixed. They expand and contract as the stock moves. In Signal Alert, there are three main settings. Period controls how many days the moving average looks back. 20 days is the common starting point. Standard deviation controls how wide the bands are. 2 standard deviations is the classic setting. Position chooses which band you care about, upper, lower, or both. So how do traders read this? If price touches the upper band, it means price is stretched toward the high side of its recent range. That can mean strong momentum, but it can also mean the move is getting extended. If price touches the lower band, it means price is stretched toward the low side. That can warn of weakness, or it can create an oversold review if the broader trend is still healthy. Here is the key beginner point. A band touch is not automatically a reversal. Strong stocks can ride the upper band for many bars. Weak stocks can keep pressing the lower band. The band tells you price is stretched. It does not tell you the next candle. Traders also watch for a squeeze. That is when the bands get tight because volatility has been quiet. A squeeze does not choose direction by itself, but it can tell you to watch for a larger move if price and volume break out later. In Signal Alert, add Bollinger Bands, choose the period, choose the standard deviation, choose upper, lower, or both, and create the alert. The goal is simple. Let Signal Alert tell you when price reaches a volatility edge, then use trend, volume, support, resistance, and risk planning to decide if the setup deserves attention. Visit Signal Alert. EO and build your next market alert in minutes.